You know about the new generation of Sienta, which is this vehicle, the fourth gen. The vehicle I don't like about this thing is that the handlebar is so weird. Like the side panels here is so weird because, as you can see here, this is where all the changing of mirrors, the lock, the adjust of the windows. But you know that the old generation, where you naturally will want to put your holder here, apparently the new handle is up here, where you can put your phone and stuff. Because like by just a force of habit, like I'm already used to the fact that where this console here is at here, where you can put your shit here at here. So every time I want to close the door, I will naturally will try to grab here instead of grab here. And then like, because of habit, I try to do that, and then they were like, oh yeah, oh shit, yeah, it's here. It's like, I don't know, man. I For some reason it doesn't feel natural. Like, it makes sense where it is just at your shoulder level, so it's quite easy to pull. But I don't know, man. I still feel like if you put like somewhere here, I guess it makes sense. But I can see the idea. It's just, I don't know, man. It's just habit.